Hello friends, I am Rajiv. Welcome to my channel. This video explains what Flutter is and why it is important. We must put ourselves in the developer's shoes to answer this question. Here's an example. This is Tom and he is an Android developer. All of his customers loves his app, but it's only on Android. So every other day people ask him when it will come to iOS. Eventually, he decides to build an app for iOS, which is a lengthy process. So now there are two different code bases for the same app for different platforms. Now, here comes Flutter. The Flutter framework is open source and there is no charge to use Flutter. This framework was developed by Google. With Flutter, you can build natively compiled apps that are beautiful and rich of features. Wide variety of applications of multiple devices such as web, Android, iOS, and desktop. There are several reasons for its importance. First one is rapid development, fast development. Flutter is a cross-platform programming environment that compiles to ARM or Intel machine code as well as JavaScript for speedy performance. Another one is productive because of the hot reload feature of Flutter is built into the app. See changes in real time without losing its state by updating the code. Check out how easy it can be to work with widgets in real life. I have created a sample app. I'll give you a demo. Here, I'm going to change the app title. And hit save. You will see the changes instantly. Let's replace this gray color with the different one. Blue gray. And when I hit save, the color is changed. Another one is native performance. It provides platform specific features such as navigation, icons, and fonts are incorporated into Flutter's widget. In addition to iOS and Android, Flutter provides a native experience. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please follow my channel.